Here's my review on these no-sew jean buttons. I bought a pack of 12 and I found them super cute. You just would hold down this portion here and then pop the bottom part off, and then you have the pin part. So it's so easy to just pin it into your jean material and pop it back on. So they're all the same here. They are a good quality and very durable. Here's one that I've put into my jeans because here's the original, and I just leave it there. I don't take anything off. I found my jeans not tight enough, so I just popped another button right in here. And it's, again, really easy to take off. So it's just easily poke it through your jean material, and then you would just push it on. I wish I knew of these earlier because I used to sew my kids' pants on the sides here because they were never too tight for them and they would never want to wear a belt. So now that I bought these, my kids absolutely love them. That's why I got a pack of 12 of them so they could use them for all of their jeans. And not only jeans, you could use it in any other pants that you have that would require the zipper and the button. And again, you don't need to remove the other button, and the zipper is still easy to zip up, and it still works. Even though the button has moved, it still stays nice and straight, and it's ingenious. I recommend them highly.